You've seen the headline 100 times. WebAssembly is finally replacing JavaScript. So is the language that runs the web about to die? Honest answer up front. No. JavaScript keeps the host seat. DOM, events, app glue. Wasm is the specialized engine that runs beside it when JavaScript hits a speed ceiling. WebAssembly breaks the old rule. Write in Rust, Go, C#, or Java, and it executes inside the browser at near native speed. Not translated into JavaScript. Actually compiled. Figma and Adobe already ship desktop-grade software this way. Wasm 3.0 locked it in as a W3C standard. Native garbage collection. Native exceptions. 64-bit memory. Kotlin and Java no longer drag their own runtime into the tab. That is the monopoly crack, not a funeral for JavaScript. The browser was training ground. The real prize is the server. WASI and the component model handle module files, sockets, and clocks without a browser wrapper. Cold start under a millisecond. Same binary local on Cloudflare workers or beside containers in Kubernetes. Put the hot path on a clock. Image codecs, crypto, physics, on-device inference. JavaScript crawls. Wasm flies. 5 to 10% of an app's code usually owns the bottleneck. That slice is where Wasm wins. Honest catch. Do not replace DOM work or CRUD glue with Wasm. Debugging still hurts outside Rust. Threading is immature. The rest of the app should stay where the ecosystem is strongest. JavaScript. The 2026 stack is both. JavaScript hosts. Wasm 3.0 owns the hot path and the edge. That is what replacing JavaScript actually means. Ending the monopoly, not deleting the language. Ship the split stack. Like and subscribe for more systems you can actually wire yourself.